Hello all, myself Dr. Lalta, working as a Senior Assistant Professor in the Department of Civil Engineering, Vallurpalli Nageswarar Vignan Jyoti Institute of Engineering and Technology, welcoming you all to the lecture series on concrete technology. Before going to start with, let me start the lecture with most effective teaching and learning process of wit and will, which was initiated by our former president Dr. D.N. Rao sir. Why am I teaching? What am I teaching? Coming to why am I teaching? As a civil engineering graduate, the student should be well versed with concrete in terms of concrete preparing materials, what are the properties of the materials, what are the tests to be done on concrete, and so on. Why am I teaching this? I am teaching this introductory lecture series 1, introducing the concrete technology and what are the concepts that were involved in the concrete technology and all. Cement, mortar, and concrete are the most widely used material on the globe after water. Concrete technology is the study of materials with which it is prepared and properties, mixed design, production, placement, curing, durability of concrete. What it is going to give by studying this subject? It helps engineers to produce strong, economical, and long-lasting concrete constructions. What is concrete? Concrete is a mixture of cement, water, fine aggregate, coarse aggregate, and with or without admixtures in a definite proportion. With a technology, if you mix the all these materials, the produced mixture is called as concrete. Coming to history of concrete, concrete is not new to the world. Even ancient days also we have concrete. Like lime-based concrete was used in the construction of world-famous Pantheon, a Italian famous structure. Until in 1824, Joseph Asphodin invented OPC, Portland cement. The modern concrete begins its era. Why a civil engineering graduate should learn the concrete technology? The most consumable material on the globe after water is concrete, which is most favorable for any type of construction for any civil engineer. Defining the objectives to this subject, concrete technology, to make the student to familiarize with the cement manufacturing process, what is the raw material that were involved in the producing cement, what is the chemistry of cement, what are the types of cements that are available, what are the tests to be done on the cement, and what are the applications for effective material selection. All these are going to be dealt in concrete technology subject. To enable analysis of aggregate classification, what are the properties of aggregate, grading, and quality requirements for different concrete productions. These are going to be learned in this subject. And to develop understanding of admixtures, other than cement, water, and coarse and fine aggregate, we are going to use admixtures to enhance the properties of concrete. Which type of admixture will be used for what type of property to get from concrete, and what are the fresh concrete properties, what is workability, what are the workability tests, and hardened concrete, what are the tests to be done on hardened concrete, what are the characteristics of concrete, non-destructive testing methods, what is a non-destructive testing methodology, why for we are going to do the non-destructive testing methodology. All these are going to be learned, dealt with in concrete technology subject. To impart skills in concrete mixed design as per IS standards, quality control, and awareness on special concretes. As day by day, the entire world is moving towards the sustainability of the materials and sustainability of globe. We are dealing with different industrial ways are going to be used in concrete preparation. What are the special concretes that we are going to deal with industrial waste and all? We are going to dealt in this subject, concrete technology. And coming to properties of concrete, the properties of concrete are divided into two parts. One is fresh stage concrete properties. They are workability of concrete, setting time of concrete, segregation and bleeding of concrete, compaction of concrete, finishing of concrete. All these steps will be done whenever the concrete is still in fresh stage. How they are going to be done, what are the factors that are affecting in achieving these properties, all this we are going to deal under the title fresh concrete properties. Coming to hardened properties, which is very, very important to deal with concrete in the design process, to deal with mechanical properties like compressive strength, tensile strength, flexural strength, and elastic modulus, durability, shrinkage, and creep. All these properties will be discussed under the heading of hardened properties of concrete. And coming to types of concrete, as I said, we are going to use so many industrial ways in concrete preparation. What are the types of concretes that we are dealing nowadays? There may be plain cement concrete or reinforced cement concrete, and some special concretes using fiber reinforced concrete, self-compacting concrete, structurally dynamic concrete, lightweight concrete, bacterial concrete, and high strength concrete, high performance concrete, reactive powder concrete, polymer concrete, roller compacted concrete. How they are going to be prepared, what are the industrial waste materials we are going to use in the preparation of these types of concrete, where we will use them effectively. All these factors we are going to deal in the types of concrete. Coming to applications of concrete, why the people are running towards concrete? Because of its strength, durability, fire resistance, and versatility. Applications are vast. Some of the listed applications here you can see: buildings, in the construction of buildings, bridges, roads, runways, ports, dams, factories, chimneys, silos, warehouses, sea walls, breakwaters, drainage system, retaining walls. Like this, the usage of cement concrete is in so many ways. We are going to deal with in this subject, where we will apply this concrete. And coming to the overall outcomes of this subject, once the student gone through this subject, he will be in a position able to describe how the cement will be manufactured and what is hydration, what is the chemistry behind hydration of cement, and what are the types of cement, what are the tests that are to be conducted on cement, and what is the application of cement for different purpose, which type of cement is suitable for which type of work. Like that, he will be in a position to decide and classify aggregates and evaluate mechanical and physical properties of aggregates. The student is in a position to select his choice of aggregate for a particular task depending upon the mechanical and physical properties of the aggregates. Explain the role of admixtures. Nowadays, the scenario of concrete changes, or the scenario of infrastructure is changing. Vertically, the construction field is developing. The building construction was developing vertically. The necessity of material usage also becoming different when compared to the earlier conventional concretes. Here, admixtures are such material, maybe in the form of chemical or mineral. They are going to enhance certain properties of concrete. By learning these topics in this subject, concrete technology, the student will be in a position to select his choice of admixture for what purpose, where he wants to, what type of property of concrete he wants to. Depending upon that, he can select the choice of his admixtures. And coming to hardened properties, what are the tests to be done on the hardened properties, and what are the properties that he has to take from the concrete when he is designing a structure. Like this, he will be in a position to analyze the things, and how to apply non-destructive tests, which are very, very important. If you compare a RCC structure with a human body, how a human body after certain age requires some medication, same way the structure, RCC structure, also requires some maintenance. For doing that maintenance, the existing structure strength is very, very important. To know that existed structure strength, non-destructive testing technology is very, very important. By learning this subject, concrete technology, the student will be able to decide the non-destructive test type which is suitable for what type of structure and all. And designing a concrete mix as per IS 10262 2019. how the concrete will be mixed, design for mix, like how he will be fix the proportions of our concrete ingredients like cement, fine aggregate, coarse aggregate, water, if any admixture is going to be added, how the proportions will be fixed. All he is able to done with the help of code IS 10262 2019. And what is the acceptance criteria with respect to quality control, what are the checks to be done while a concrete construction is going to be considered. Quality control is very, very important, but these things are also involved in concrete technology in this subject. Thereby the student is familiar with to what are the tests to be conducted for giving the quality assurance to the concrete constructions, that he is able to do. And these are the certain textbooks and references generally we prefer for concrete technology. The images are taken from Google. Thank you all.
Like, share, comment, and subscribe VNR Digital Learning Resource YouTube channel.